Hello friends, today we will learn about conditional formatting in Excel. I have a data for students and their marks. So I have a condition if the marks is greater than 90, then it should be in green, and if the marks is greater than 75 but less than 90, so it should be so in yellow. And third condition is if the marks is less than 75, then it should be in red. So how we can achieve this task in Excel? So firstly, we will select the range in which we want to apply conditional formatting. So I have selected the range, then go to home and go to conditional formatting, then click on this. And here you can see highlight cells rules. So here I have three conditions: greater than, less than, and between, like 75 to 90. So uh, firstly, greater than, I will select greater than 90. So I will type manually 90 and it should be in green. So I will select green. Then now you can see the 98 showing in green. And the second condition is greater than, means we can say between 75 to 90. So greater than 75 and 90, it should be in yellow. So I will select yellow. Now you can see between 75 to 90, it is in yellow. Greater than 90, green. And the third condition is less than. Here is the less than condition. So less than 75, it should be in red. So now you can see how easily we can apply conditional formatting in Excel. So you can match if the greater than 90, it is in green, and the 75 and the 90, it is in yellow, and less than 75, it is in red. So one more, if we have also a option, means like OGESH. We have an option in the same conditional formatting, text that contain also or equal to. So we have used greater than, less than, between, and if we use equal to. So I want to apply equal to in this cell. So if the marks is 100 and I want to apply the green and then OK. So how it works? If I type 99, then conditional formatting will not work. And if I type 12, nothing is happening. So if I type 100, then the conditional formatting is working. So it is exactly uh, match, then the conditional formatting work because we use equal to. Same here, if we if we are working for true or false in a single column. So if we want to highlight false or true, so we can use the text that contain red, this one. So if I type any name, then it will not work. If uh, sh, then it will highlight. So it may be true, false. So you can use the conditional formatting as well. If I type false, false, and if I go to highlight and text that contain, then it should be in red. So if I now I type e true, 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 So it will not work, and if I type false, then it will show in red. So I hope you can apply conditional formatting in your data, and now you are clear about the conditional formatting, how and when we can use conditional formatting. So thank you so much for watching my video. uh, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and like my video, and please also comment in on which topic you want me to make a video. uh, Thank you so much.